Yo. I'm just gonna crack it open in 3, 2. Alright.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey underscore, welcome back to a brand new video, another day, another banger. Cause on tonight's video we have a really insane video, alright guys. I know you guys are going to love it and I'm going to love it as well, alright guys. So guys, on tonight's video, it's an insane kind of video. Guys, we are gonna be cracking open the Hatchimal egg. Look at this guys. This is the egg. Hatchimal egg. At 3 a.m. in the morning. And so what guys, alright? For those who don't know what happens at 3 a.m. This is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth guys and start out to do anything they want. That's why I decided that wait, what will happen if we crack open this egg at 3 a.m. in the morning? And so what happens guys, alright? And for those who don't know what's Hatchimal egg, there is something inside it, alright guys, and we are gonna crack it open, alright? It's going to be so insane. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both of my social medias guys. This is all on screen right now. So follow me on there for a chance to get shout out every video guys. Like this. Boom, is an Instagram shout out. Boom, is a Snapchat shout out. Again guys, follow me on there for a chance to get shout out every video guys. And go number right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on notifications to be on notification squad, alright guys? So come on guys, I'm just gonna grab this egg right over here. Yo, the Hatchimal egg. It looks like really creepy, alright guys? Look. Hatch. Oh, it's called hatching. Hatching pet egg. Yo, this is it guys. Hatching pet egg. We are gonna be cracking open this hatching pet egg with this hammer, right guys? I got a hammer right over here as well. So come on guys, we are actually not gonna do it here. We are gonna take this to the table, alright guys? Come on. Alright, I'm just gonna keep this right on the table over here. Look at this guys. Alright, I got the Hatchimal egg and the hammer. Yo, this is going to be really insane. Alright guys, come on. But before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright, so look at the time right now. It is 3:05 a.m. right now. And I just got the egg right over here, right guys? Yo, let me go on the other side so you guys can see, alright guys? Look at this. I got the egg right over here. Hatching egg. Yo, this is gonna be creepy, alright guys? I never cracked this open. Yo, come on. Why is it focusing? Yo, let me just open the packaging. Yo, it's covered so nicely so it doesn't break. Come on, I just need to get the egg out. Alright guys, look at this. I just opened the packaging and this is talking. Look at this guys. Yo, I'm just gonna place it right over there. Look at this. Oh my god. What's going on with the egg? Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is it saying guys? Yo, this is so insane and creepy. Yo, look at the egg guys. Oh my god. The egg is talking. What? Yo, there's actually somebody inside it. Oh my god. Guys, there's actually something inside this egg. What? Oh my god. Let me touch it. Come on. Look at that guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no way. There's actually something inside this egg. Oh my god, there's no way. Yo. Look at it guys. Oh my god. There's no way way, there's actually something inside this egg. Oh my god. Yo. This is so creepy, guys. Oh my god, there's like actually no way, guys. There's something inside this egg. Yo guys, it says help me. Oh my god, there's no way. This is so insane. What should I do? So it just says rob it. And I'm robbing it. It's working. Yo guys, it just says it's not even cracking open. No, come on, please. Guys, my phone is ringing. It's an unknown number. It's an unknown number. Who is that on it? Let's answer it. Hello? 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 Wait, why is no one talking? Guys, no one is talking. Open. I think I'm just gonna hang up on this. Yo, this is so creepy, guys. Oh my god. Yo, let me just keep the phone down. It's trying to break it. Come on. Come on, why isn't it breaking? What's going on? You guys! Oh my god, I think it's hatching now. It's been like 10-20 minutes. The egg is not cracking, I think because it's 3 AM. Yo, I'm just gonna crack it open myself with the hammer. Yo, let me get the hammer. Come on. I'm just gonna crack it open. Come on. Why isn't it working? Yo, it's cracking. Alright. It's open, it's open. It's open. Yes. We did it, guys. Oh my god. Look at the eyes. Oh my god. There is no way. Yo. Oh my god, I actually hatched it. This is so insane. Yo, let's get it out. How do I get it out? Wait, it's talking.
Watching.
Oh my god.
Like.
No.
And subscribe.
No, 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 no. Stop this. Stop this, Hatchimal. No, 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 stop this. Stop it! Stop! No! 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 Yo! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! I don't know what's going on here! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys, there's no way! I just came outside. I don't know what's wrong with that Hatchimal. Oh my god, guys. Yo, I cannot see anything right now. Yo, let me open the room. We are gonna go inside again, alright? Come on, let's just open the door now. Oh my god, I'm really scared. What's going on? I left him alone for a few seconds. Oh my god, what's going on? Wait, what is that? What's going on? Oh my god! Hatchimal! What is it doing? Yo, there's no way! I'm gonna grab it! Oh, no! No! No, no, no! No! What's down there? Oh my god! Yo, where did the Hatchimal go? And what's down there? Oh my god, just look! There's something down there! It's a portal! A portal open, guys! Oh my god! And smoke coming out of it. He's mad. No, 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 that's like me. No, 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 please. Please, no, no. Stop. Where are we going? Where are we going, Hatchimal? No, stop it. Oh my God. No, no, don't attack me, please. I'm done with this Hatchimal. Yo, smoke keeps on coming from under this thing. Look at this, guys. I don't know what is this. It's a portal. Oh my God. This is so creepy, guys. I got it. Stop it. Stop it, Hatchimal. This is so insane. I really don't know what to do, alright, guys? I think I'm just gonna end the video right over here because this is so insane, alright, guys? So, guys, this is a big thumbs up to you. Subscribe to me. And don't forget to be on the notification squad, alright, guys? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.